I have a parcel and it says Macmillan on the front, so that's always very exciting. Let's have a look what it is. I think I do know what it is. Oh, it's copies of When Soma Met Sahan. This book originally came out as This Stolen Life, and it came out in 2019. And it has now got this lovely new jacket. It's about Soma, whose real name is not Soma, who steals an identity and comes to England, to Hull, which is a lovely city. And, you know, I wanted to show that. So she comes to Hull to work as a nanny for a family. And Yamuna, who is the mum of the baby, is having trouble bonding with her baby, so she has a type of postnatal depression, which I had, to be honest, so that was a difficult thing to write. And it's about the relationship between Yamuna and Soma, and also Soma falls in love with Sahan, who is Yamuna's cousin, who is a student at the university, and he teaches her to read English, and that's what they're doing, sitting on the bench there. He's teaching her to read English. It's not a romance story as such, it's women's fiction, but it does have a happy ending for both couples in the story, so there are two romantic storylines, but it goes to some dark places sometimes, because postnatal depression, not fun. Okay, now Soma Met Sahan. It'll be out on the 7th of November, and it'll be out in paperback and ebook. So if you fancy reading a women's fiction where the characters just happen to be Sri Lankan, or if you fancy reading a book set in Hull, this is what you need.